Page 58. This is a 3-minute technique on inversions, and they call it a first inversion toss. I think that's dangerous. Let's talk about it. We're not tossing anything. Don't get too violent when you play a piano. What they're doing is they're using the C chord in first inversion. So we just invert it one time in this position. It's like an Alberti bass pattern where it's bottom, top, middle. Up one, and you go up. You could keep going up the piano on the right keys, whatever. And the idea is they want you to accent the thumb. I don't toss. I'm not sure what you're going to toss here, but you're simply going to play the thumb a little. You put a little more weight on the thumb, and then accent, and it's an accent and a staccato here. Staccato. So it's whatever. That's the technique they're after here. For the left hand at the bottom of the page, it's the little finger that's playing the accent. I guess you're going to toss your little finger. I don't know. Doesn't sound too good for you, and it doesn't. Take it up an octave. Play it up here. Just pretend middle C instead of here, it's here, and you're just going to play it here. And that's the left hand, and that's sort of what they're doing in this technique thing. Drop the wrist with each of these accents. Don't play with a stiff wrist, so it's here. It's the wrist on the accent. Just putting a little more weight on that, but don't collapse the finger or nothing. It's still a curved finger. I'm just putting a little more weight on the finger. I'm not collapsing it, is what I'm saying. It doesn't take you have to play it super loud. Just accent it. There are stronger accents than this, so don't get carried away with the accent. So forth. That's really what they're after. Page 59, I'll go ahead and cover that in this video too. It's hand shaping. Well, you have patterns and you're shaping the hands, and there's all countless number of patterns. I don't even worry about the patterns. You get used to them after. You'll see them so much you get used to them. At the beginning here in the right hand, it's simply a C chord, a broken C chord. The first inversion, the pattern is here. They just want you to get used to the pattern. And then second version, you're here. And then back to the root. And you can do that with any chord, doesn't matter. And then at the bottom, it's the same thing with the left hand. They're starting with the G chord. It's a mirror of it. Here, and then it's first. This is a G chord. This is root. Now we're going down, so we're actually doing second inversion. Here, and then we go down again, first inversion. Root again. See, we get so accustomed on the inversions of going up all the time. First inversion, second inversion, root. Well, you can go down too, but the number stays the same. So it's first root, second inversion, first inversion, root. That's all. And that's what they're doing here on that. It's just, when I play these, I'm just transferring weight from finger to finger. Here, it's here. I'm just going across. I'm just... On the chords, you have to lift up, but again, it's the weight that's pushing them down. It's just boom, 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 where on the one note at a time I'm going this way. With chords, I gotta go this way, but it's still the weight that's doing it. Left hand, same thing. It's same technique if you're doing the scale videos, and the technique I explain in the scale videos. This is what's happening. I'm playing one note at a time, that's all.